Hi everyone! Welcome to Soup Top Recipes. Today we're making chicken noodle soup. Everybody says that when you feel sick, chicken soup will lift you up. I agree with that. For me, it heals my homesickness. This recipe is easy and incredibly delicious. So let's get started. Mushroom is one of my favorite ingredients that I like to add to my chicken noodle soup. I don't know what kind of mushroom this is. It looks very pretty to me, so I'm gonna try it today. I soaked some dry shiitake mushroom for about 2 hours until they're nice and soft. This is how they look like when they're dry. It has an intense umami smell. That is the benefit of using dry mushrooms. It is like a natural, healthy MSG. I love it a lot. If you don't have dry mushrooms, a mix of different kinds of fresh mushrooms work well for this recipe too. Squeeze all the water out of the shiitake mushroom. You do want to save the water for later because that has lots of flavors. Slice it thinly. Shiitake mushroom is quite meaty and it tends to absorb the flavor and seasoning. That is why it goes so good with this soup. For the fresh mushroom, I just rip it into bite size. Set them aside and we can go prepare our chicken. I have a big piece of chicken breast. It is about 13 ounces. Slice it into 1/2 centimeter thick pieces. Cut into long strips. Put it in a bowl. Marinate it with 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Mix them together until the cornstarch is well combined and all the liquid seasoning is gone. Heat up your wok. Put your hands above it, and if you start feeling that obvious heat coming up, add some oil. About 2.5 tablespoons. Toss it around so the oil coats the wok. Add some minced garlic. I use about 6 cloves, 2 pieces of white part of the spring onion, some diced shallot. I want to talk about this ingredient for a second. It looks like a mini red onion, but smells much more intenser. We just use 1/2 of that. Finally dice it. You can also use a 1/2 cup of red onion instead. Okay. Let's get back to cooking. Add some minced ginger. Give them a few stir. It smells good already. Add the chicken. Spread it out. Let it cook a little bit. Flip and mix so they don't stick together. We just look for to cook the chicken. There's no special technique here. If you see the bottom of the wok is burning like that, don't panic, because after we add the broth, those good stuff will all going into the soup. So much more flavor. At this point, you can add some vegetables you like. This is shredded carrot and the mushroom that we prepared before. Give it a rough stir and pour in 6 to 8 cups of unsalted chicken stock. Store-bought chicken stock works good too. Just make sure you get a good quality one. I'm also pouring in the water that I soaked with the mushroom, just for some extra umami flavor. The chicken stock I'm using is homemade. You can check the description for the recipe link if you want to know how to make it. Cover it, bring this to a boil. While waiting, we can get another pot and start cooking our noodles. Any types of noodles will work for this recipe. If you're using pasta, you can add it directly to the broth which makes this recipe even more easier. These are store-bought Chinese noodles that I use often. They are quite starchy. That is why I'm cooking it separately. I don't like to make the broth cloudy. By the way, you could make your own noodles from scratch, and I do have a video for that. You can check the description for the video link. The water is boiling. Add the noodles in. This is one portion for myself. If you have a big family, you just times how many people you are serving. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Taste it to make sure it is cooked through. Take it out, drain the excess water, and lay the noodles in the bowl. Let's go back and take a look of the noodle broth. It is nice and bubbly now. Add some salt, taste, and adjust it. You want it to be a bit saltier than what you normally like because we didn't add any seasoning to the noodles. I also like to blanch some baby bok choy. These are real babies. Look how tiny they are. Since they are so small, I'm just gonna do a cut on the stem that will allow it to cook evenly. Besides this, you can also use spinach, lettuce, Chinese choy-sun, up to you. Throw that into the wok. Stir it for about 10 seconds. Add a bunch of cilantro, then turn off the heat. Look at that. Sometimes a little green makes a huge difference. You will feel like this dish becomes much lighter and healthier. I can't wait to eat. Take a serving spoon, pour this soup on top of the noodles. This is the Chinese-style chicken noodle soup. The broth is usually quite clear, and we like to put a lot of broth. Also, take a big spoonful of the chicken and mushroom to put it on the top. Place few pieces of blanched choy-sun. Sprinkle some scallion and cilantro. Yum! That looks good. I didn't even want to talk that much in front of the camera because I cannot stop eating it. The chicken is tender and quite flavorful. Oh, the new mushroom that I tried was delicious too. Chicken and mushroom makes a such great couple. The broth tastes so natural, smells like home. I think what makes you feel good is not only the soup, it is also the love that you put in. I hope you give this or my other recipes a try soon. If you haven't yet, click my channel name and find out how to make your favorite Chinese food. New videos coming out every Wednesday. And I'll see you next time. Bye!